to another video. Today we're going to be putting the Predator Ghost 212 to the test at a professional track. And to make things even sweeter, we got the man, the myth, the legend, Saronster, testing out his electric car. So let's get right into it.
Let's get it.
So we're about to take this thing on the track for the very first time. Kind of going to make some predictions. Again, if I didn't mention it, this engine is rated for a certain class. So it does have a limiter inside the coil. I'm going to suspect, just like in my other kart, we're going to hear that on the straightaway towards the back. You're going to hear it redlining, banging limiter. That's just basically me running out of gear. Other than that, the torque should be amazing through the S turns and all that good stuff. I'm just sort of trying to guess what it's going to be like towards the back end. Thankfully, we'll have Saronster next to us to really judge how slow that makes it. I'm really excited. I'm going to suit up and get ready to take this thing out. Let's get it.
Good? Dude, this is the best. Look at this sunset. We got the whole track for ourselves. This is so fun.
Yes.
So are you at like full throttle on that, or are you taking it easy?
I'm taking it easy.
Okay, I'm going like not full throttle, but that's like the maximum of my driving ability.
Okay.
But we'll get a little more comfortable. This is amazing.
It's a lot, right?
Should we do a competitive two-lapper?
Yeah, let's do it.
How do you recommend we do it?
So we should start over there at the finish line, and then we'll just make the finish line.
We just loop.
Just, yep, we'll loop around.
You got it.
Let's go. Oh, the reverse, he's flexing on me.
All right, so we'll do 2 laps. All right.
1, 2, 3, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, I'll give it to you off the line. Ooh, that corner almost took me out. Oh, he's a good driver. He was telling me, he was like, look, you're probably faster, but I've got good control.
Let's go!
It's over. He smoked me.
Hey, okay.
You ate me up on that one.
Did I though?
No.
Also, I drove off the track.
Me too, bro. You still beat me though. You trying to switch?
Dude, I'm down if you're down.
Give it a try.
Dude, this thing has no brakes, bro.
Okay.
None. Zilch.
Yeah, guys. I didn't see you go off. I just saw the poof of dirt.
Oh, dude, I was like, he's gonna catch me.
No, dude, you smoked me. It's not even a speed thing like you're saying. It's more how you handle it.
It's driving, bro.
Yeah.
All right, here we go, guys. First time in an electric car. So nervous. Oh my god.
Dude, that sounds good. That sounds good.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness, dude. This thing is insane. Oh my gosh.
Whoa. Okay. Yeah, there's no brakes.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my goodness, dude. This thing is insanity. It's so fast, dude.
This definitely has the handling advantage just by the nature of design. Oh, it takes the corners really well.
Oh! Holy crap, dude! This thing is moving!
Are there gears? Am I supposed to be changing gears? It looks so funny without the without the spoiler on it. Woo!
Oh!
The vibration of the engine's making me want to cough. It's right on my back. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, dude. The suspension is insane, guys. Yes! He's drifting it!
Whoa, the motor's so powerful. Yeah.
Come on, dude! This thing is moving, guys!
Oh, I got no brakes. I got none.
Oh!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm blown away. I need one of these right now. Why did I ride this? Now I have to build one.
This is so fun. Whoa.
Dude. This thing is insane, dude. Oh my gosh.
Dude, that was fun.
Dude, this is insane, dude.
Yeah, you with it?
Oh my gosh.
What are your thoughts?
Okay, first of all, I've never felt torque like that. It's so fast, like in the randomest places. Like, I have to build one. I'm building one.
Dude, let's go.
I have to build one.
I'd
Like,
love to see you build one.
this is insane, dude. Like, it handles amazing. The suspension is such a unique feeling. I feel like I'm driving a car, literally. I just didn't expect that's how it's gonna feel. Like, I love this. Like, I love it, dude.
So exciting. I love to hear that.
Oh.
I'm obsessed with it, and you just feel cool driving it. Right?
Feels so cool, like Batmobile, straight up.
cool in it.
Dude, this is insane.
Dude, this is awesome. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Sun. Should we pull out your drift car for the last minute of sun?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. What do I do in this position?
You want to switch back?
Oh, probably.
You're welcome to drive it.
This thing. Oh, we were joking about the brakes though.
Oh, dude, the brakes are bad, bro. I'm so sorry.
No, it was funny. You would have been my brake. I would have just hit you to slow down. You were fine.
I love it, bro. Yeah, let's pull the drift cart out.
This little battery is actually getting some laps.
Dude, yeah, I was surprised. Like dude, that thing's terrifying, bro.
Look at this thing, it's so beautiful.
So it's sunset, so I think she deserves some lights.
Oh, come on. I love this. This is, I mean, I saw this on Instagram way before I got into the go-karts and I was just obsessed with it. It's got to be the spoiler because, I mean, that makes it street legal and it makes it faster. No way. That's so steezy. You don't get that with electric. It's like music. Oh, he's playing with it. Come on. One of his sleeves. Oh, that thing's barely hanging on. It's easy, man. Wow. Little ambulance right here.
Yeah.
Pit stop.
Little D plate, hammer it on, end plate, and we'll be good.
Easy. Came just in time for the tire.
Been here too many times. Oh!
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. No way. I'm so out of my element. Alright, I think I get it. This actually has a lot of torque on the low end. It feels torquier than the... Oh man, this thing picks up out of nowhere. Dude. I can't drive this thing, dude. Nope. Oh, okay, I think I get it. I can't even drive this, dude. I am so out of my element. Wow, this is incredible. It's so much more powerful than I was expecting. And yeah, I mean, the moment you're touching the throttle, you're spinning the wheels, and it's got a ton of traction up front. I actually really had no idea how to drive it, but it was an amazing experience. That's fun. I like the noise.
Right?
Like when you compare gas to electric, gas definitely wins for that factor.
All right.
And then, I mean, this also felt torquier. Like, we've got this tuned pretty mellow. Yours is just like, boom, like you feel it. Every time it makes noise, you can feel the torque.
Boys, thank you so much for sticking around for the whole video. I really hope you enjoyed the track day. It was an absolute blast kicking it with Saronster and getting some of the best footage that I've ever got. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you like what you see, it means the world to me if you guys subscribe, leave a little like or maybe a comment, because your feedback is what really keeps me going and pursuing this type of stuff. I have 2 updates before I wrap up the video. The first one being, I'm still giving away a Predator Ghost 212 right now as this video releases. I'm ending the giveaway on October 13th. That's when I'll be picking one of the lucky winners to get a free engine and an accessory kit from Harbor Freight and myself. So I'm super stoked for that. Please go enter on my Instagram. The link is gonna be down below. Secondly, I'm actually gonna be judging Joe's mini bike reunion. So this is a big deal for me. This is gonna be the first year that they're doing a kart class. So anyone can bring out a go-kart, enter it in the show. You can just bring it to show however you want to do it, but I'm gonna be out there. It'd be really sweet to meet some of you guys and check out what you guys are building at home. That's gonna be it for this one, boys. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.